All right, here's how you fix a P2754 or P2755 error code on a 2017 Audi Q7 3-liter supercharged. It involves replacing the transmission cooler bypass valve, and usually that goes bad. And you have to remove the intake, manifold, airbox cover, and it is down kind of behind the oil filter on the top of the bell housing. And if you look right here, you should be able to see it. It's that little valve right on top there. Should be pretty easy to replace, but this is not in the normal spot that is in these vehicles. So change that and then clear the codes and you should be good to go. Again, it's right here.